Hello and welcome to the preliminary stage of the 2024 National Championship of the National Science and Maths Quiz. Competing in this contest are Fafraha Community Senior High School, St. Hubert Seminary Senior High School, and Nandom Senior High School. Fafraha Community Senior High School did not make it to the National Championship last year. They have joined us this year, however, at the preliminary stage as a top runner-up from the Greater Accra Regional Qualifiers. St. Hubert Seminary Senior High School ended their run in last year's competition at the National Championship at the 1/8 stage, where they were eliminated by Yilo Krobos Senior High School. They are back this year after winning their regional qualifiers with an impressive score of 70 points. Nandom Senior High School were unable to make it to the National Championship this year. However, they won their regional qualifiers contest this year and have joined us at the preliminary stage, hoping to progress further. You are welcome back, Nandom. So our contestants will introduce themselves to us. From Fafraha Community Senior High School, we have... Speak.
Felix Elome Fojo.
And...
Bekwin Owusu Enoch.
Kindly tell us about your journey this year.
Our journey has been a learning curve, and we are here to give of our best.
Good, they are here to give up their best. St. Hubert Seminary Senior High School is represented by...
Binadio Lawa Antonio.
And...
Baxon Demi Pedro John.
Do tell us about your journey this year.
Well, so far it has been fun, and we pray and hope that it continues to be fun.
Good, I'm happy you're enjoying it. Nandom Senior High School is represented by...
Babu Noel.
And...
Wanda Tienopukun Crispin.
Your journey, let us know how it has gone for you.
Okay, our journey has been smooth, and the Lord has seen us through, and we are hoping that the Lord will continue to see us through.
Amen. So I wish you all the best in this contest. The National Science and Maths Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with Girl PLC and supported by Joy News, Pepsodent, Due Pay Money Transfer, Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, Better Malt, ALX, Kivo, Bell Beverages, Flora Tissues, Coronation Insurance, Accra College of Medicine, University of Mines and Technology, Academic City University College, PMMC Jewelry, GTP, CHAS, YFM, and Girl Mark Foundation. I am Dr. Mrs. Gladys Odishinga, your quiz mistress, and this is a primetime production. Contestants, we have 5 rounds of competition. Each round has its rules. But in all rounds, you are going to answer questions from physics, chemistry, biology, and mathematics. You have 30 seconds for questions involving calculations and 10 seconds for those not involving calculations. You have just one attempt at answering. Should you be asked to repeat, don't change. A change will nullify your answer. In the first round, each school will get a question to be answered correctly for a maximum of 3 points. When you are wrong, another school may answer correctly for a bonus point when they ring the bell. But when they get it wrong, they lose a point. In this round, when a school is answering, don't ring the bell. Let them finish. Let me tell them they are wrong. Then you can ring the bell. Okay? I wish you the best. I'll be starting the round with Fafraha Community Senior High School. Preamble to all schools. A linear transformation is defined by t such that xy maps onto 2x plus 3y, then 2x minus 3y. Find the coordinates of point P, xy, if its image under T is. A linear transformation is defined by T such that xy maps onto 2x plus 3y, 2x minus 3y. Find the coordinates of a point P, xy, if its image under T is Fafraha Q, 5, negative 1. Go ahead.
P is given by 1, 1.
Correct. St. Hubert. Q, 1, 7. Go ahead, John.
It is given by 2, negative 1.
I'll give to you. Nandom. Q, negative 4, 8. Go ahead. No.
We have P given by 1, negative 2.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. Identify the strongest intermolecular forces or bonding present in the given compound. Identify the strongest intermolecular forces or bonding present in the given compound. Fafraha, phosphorus trichloride. Enough.
Is a polar covalent bond.
Incorrect. St. Hubert.
The dipole-dipole interaction.
I'll give to you. St. Hubert. Methylamine. Go ahead.
Hydrogen bonding.
Correct. Nandom. Diethyl ether.
Okay, we have weak van der Waals forces.
Incorrect. St. Hubert.
The dipole-dipole interaction.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. Give the name of the salivary gland in humans to which the following description refers. Give the name of the salivary gland in humans to which the following description refers. Fafraha. It opens on the inner surface of the cheek by the duct of Stenson. It is located opposite the second upper molar tooth. Yes, Enoch.
We have the posterior salivary gland.
Incorrect. St. Hubert.
The submaxillary salivary gland.
Incorrect. St. Hubert. It opens by Watten's duct. It opens by Watten's duct on the floor of the mouth by the sides of the frenulum of the tongue.
Sublingual salivary gland.
Incorrect. Any other? Nandom. It opens by the ducts of Rivinus on the floor of the mouth by the sides of the frenulum of the tongue.
Sublingual salivary gland.
That's correct. St. Hubert, yours should have been submaxillary, and Fafraha, parotid. Preamble to all schools. Find the magnitude of the acceleration of a particle of mass m when the net force on it is F, given that, Fafraha, m equals 2.5 kilograms and F equals the expression 9.0 I plus 12J in newtons. Enoch?
3.6 I plus 4.8 J, all in meters per second squared.
Incorrect. St. Hubert, go ahead.
6.0 meters per second squared.
That is correct. St. Hubert, m equals 4.0 kilograms and F equals the expression 8.0 I minus 6.0 J in newtons. Go ahead.
2.5 meters per second squared.
Correct. Nandom. M equals 5.0 kilograms and F equals the expression negative 16I plus 12J in newtons.
Okay, we have 3.4 meter per second square.
Incorrect. St. Hubert.
4.0 meters per second squared.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. Find the constants A and B if, find the constants A and B if, Fafraha, the expression 2x minus 1 over the expression, the expression 2x minus 1 over the square of the expression x minus 1 equals A over the expression x minus 1 plus B over the square of the expression x minus 1. Enoch.
A is equal to positive 2 and B is equal to positive 1.
Correct. St. Hubert. The expression 3x plus 1 over the square of the expression x plus 2 equals A over the expression x plus 2 plus B over the square of the expression x plus 2. Go ahead, John.
A, it's 3, and B is -5.
Correct. Nandom. X, the expression x plus 2 over the square of the expression x minus 2 equals A over the expression x minus 2 plus B over the square of the expression x minus 2. No.
Okay. We have B to be equal to 4 and A to be equal to 1.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. Give the systematic name of the given compound. Fafraha, 1,3-dimethylpropane. Enoch.
Pentane.
Correct. St. Hubert, 2-ethylpropane. Go ahead.
2-methylbutane.
Correct. Nandom, 3,4-dimethylbutane.
Okay, we have 3-methyl-pentane.
Correct. This is a common one to all schools. When I get to you, give me your answer. Mention one property of enzymes that affects substrate binding. Mention one property of enzymes that affects substrate binding. Fafraha, yours. Go ahead.
They are substrate specific.
No. St. Hubert.
The shape of the enzyme's binding site. That is the
I'll
shape.
give to you.
Yeah.
Nandom.
They are denatured by high temperatures.
No. So these are the answers I was expecting. Size of the active site of the enzyme, polarity or non-polarity of the enzyme, positive or negative charge, hydrophobicity or hydrophilicity, then special properties of cofactors, in addition to what St. Hubert said. Fafraha, find the object distance at which a 15.0 centimeter focal length converging mirror produces a real image at image distance 45.0 centimeters. Go ahead, Felix.
22.5 centimeters.
Correct. St. Hubert, if an object were placed 24 centimeters from a converging mirror of focal length 16 centimeters, how far from the mirror will the image be? Go ahead.
48 centimeters.
Correct. Nandom. Find the focal length of a converging mirror, which forms a real image 18 centimeters from itself when object distance is 12 centimeters.
7.2 centimeters.
Correct. That's the end of the first round. At the end of round one, Fafraha Community Senior High School had 12 points. Nandom Senior High School had 15 points. And St. Hubert Seminary Senior High School had 24 points. Pass it on to them. So contestants, we are done with the first round. We are entering the second round. This is the round for the Prudential Life Speed Race. In this round, the questions will be thrown to all schools at the same time. And when you get the question, you may take turns in answering. So if you are the first to answer correctly, you earn 3 points. When you are wrong, another school answers correctly for 2 points. When they are wrong, another school answers correctly for 1 point. Anytime you get it wrong, you lose 1 point. In this round, we have the 3-second rule. And for the 3-second rule, when you are called on to give your answer after you have rang the bell, you are expected to start giving your answer within 3 seconds of being called upon. If you don't, the bell will go out on you and you would lose a point because your answer will be considered wrongly given. Please, when you are called on, don't be telling me what I have asked you. Just go straight to the answer and give your answer, okay? If not, the bell will go out on you and you'll be disadvantaged. The speed race is sponsored by Prudential Life Insurance Ghana. For every life, for every future. We start our second round. I wish you the best. As soon as you're ready with your answer, you press the bell to alert me. Find the sum of the coefficients of the expansion of the expression to the power 4. 3 minus 2x. Fafraha?
The first one.
That's correct. St. Hubert. No, sorry. Find the number of decades when the decimal number 455 is transformed into binary form. Fafraha?
The numbers are 9.
Just one number, 9. That's it. Solve the equation. the expression 2 sine x minus 1 multiplying the expression 2 cos x plus 1 equals 0 in the interval 0 less than x less than pi. Yes, and Hubert.
X is equal to pi on 6 radians.
Correct. Identify the molecule with the least amount of substance. 48 grams of carbon dioxide, 18 grams of oxygen, 65 grams of carbonic acid, 44 grams of nitrogen dioxide, 28 grams of carbon monoxide. Yes, St. Hubert.
18 grams of oxygen.
No. Nandom.
44 grams of nitrogen dioxide.
No. You have to identify the molecule, so it's just oxygen. Determine the number of molecules of water of hydration of a hydrated salt of iron 3 nitrate, given the molar mass of the hydrated salt is 404 grams per mole. Fe is 56. St. Hubert.
10.
Incorrect. Fafraha.
9.
Correct. Given that molar mass of the fourth member of a homologous series is 44 grams per mole, what will be the molar mass of the seventh member? St. Hubert.
86 gram per mole.
Correct. What acid acts on pepsinogen to change it to pepsin? St. Hubert.
Hydrochloric acid.
Correct. Name the waxy substance associated with the wall of the cork cells. Yes, Nandom.
Suberin.
That's correct, Hubert. What name is given to a metabolic pathway in which both anabolic, yes, St. Hubert.
Amphibolic pathway.
That is correct. Calculate the quantity of heat rejected by an object of heat capacity 18 joules per Kelvin when its temperature falls from 320 Kelvin to 280 Kelvin. St. Hubert.
720 joules.
Correct. A particle of mass 5 kilograms at the end of a 2-meter inextensible string is whirled in a horizontal circle of radius 2 meters. Find the tension in the string when the particle's speed is 4 meters per second. Fafraha.
We have the tension to be 40 Newton.
Correct. Calculate the power dissipation of a 15 ohm resistor with 6.0 volts. Yes, St. Hubert.
So we have 2.4 watts.
Correct. That's the end of the speed race. Of people till I ask you to. If you do, you are going to be disqualified for the third round. So your sheets are coming now. So at the end of the speed race, Nandom Senior High School had 17 points. Fafraha Community Senior High School had 23 points. And St. Hubert Seminary Senior High School had 40 points. This is round 3. In this round, you are going to solve the problem of the day. It's a common problem you all will solve, and it's worth 10 points. You have 4 minutes to solve the problem on the screens provided for you. We'll be reading the problem of the day together, and then your 4 minutes will start. I wish you the best. Let's read our problem of the day. A. Use it. A. Given that x, the expression x plus 1 is a factor of f of x equals 5x cubed minus kx squared plus 15x plus 25. Find the value of k and hence factorize f of x completely. B. When the function g of x equals 4x cubed minus 5x squared plus kx plus 4 is divided by x minus 2, the remainder is r, and when h of x equals 5x cubed plus kx squared plus 6x plus 4 is divided by x minus 2, the remainder is 3r. Find the value of k and the value of r. This is the problem of the day. You have 4 minutes starting now. So our contestants have put their solutions on the board, and this is what was expected of them, as suggested by our consultant. So this was a problem from mathematics. And for the A part, they were given a factor for f of x, and they were to find the values of k and factorize f of x completely. So since x plus 1 is a factor of f of x, we'd have to find f of negative 1, which will give us negative 5 minus k minus 15 plus 25 equals 0, giving us k equals 5. If you're able to do this, you get 2 points. I think almost all the schools were able to find k. Then from there, you were to completely factorize f of x. So the complete factorization of f of x will give f of x equals 5 multiplying the expression x plus 1 multiplying the expression x squared minus 2x plus 1. And that would earn you 2 points. Fafraha plus 5, yes, Fafraha got that one. So they got 4 points for the A. They got all the 4 points for the A part. Now for the B part, they were to find the value of k and the value of r. And g of x was given, so, and x minus 2 was given, and there would be a remainder of r. And so if you found g of 2, you get 32 minus 20 plus 2k plus 4 equals r. And that would give us 16 plus 2k equals r. Then r minus 2k equals 16. So if you got up to 16 minus plus 2k, so for Fafraha, they got 16 plus 2k equals R. They didn't get up to R minus 2k equals 16. So they got a point for that. Then you continue down, h of x equals 5x, and x minus 2, when h of x is divided by x minus 2, you get a remainder of 3r. So h of 2 will give you 40 plus 4k plus 12 plus 4 equals 3r. And that will give you 56 plus 4k equals 3r. Then 3r minus 4k equals 56. 2 points for that. So then r will be equal to 24 and k will be equal to 4. 2 points for that. St. Hubert managed to get k equals 4. So they got 1 point for that. And so in the end, Nandom had the 2 points. Yes, is there something you want to show me? R equals 16 plus 2k. Okay. So you get 1 for that. Is there any other thing that I didn't see? What is R2? Which one are you showing me? So 56 plus 4k is equal to 3r. Let me come back there. So R2 is equal to 56 plus 4k. And then you move on to tell me 3R1 equals R2. And I don't have 3R1 anywhere.
R1 is the same as R. And then you said R2 is equal to 3R1. That's the same as R2 is equal
I get it. I get it. So you get 2 more points. It would have been easier if you had written just 3R. But I give R2, then you tell me R2 anyway. So Nandom gets 2 points for the problem of the day. St. Hubert gets 5 points for the problem of the day. And Fafraha Community Senior High School also gets 5 points for the problem of the day. Round 4. In this round, please, Oh, there's a change, okay. So please change to your respective school emblems. Go back. Go back, go back. Yes, the green. Good. Thank you. A school would like to make a change. St. Hubert Seminary Senior High School would like to bring in Samuel Bonso for Lawe Antonio to go out. Thank you for being with us, Antonio. You are welcome, Samuel. For the fourth round, I'm going to give each school a statement. You tell me whether your statement is true or false. When you're right, 2 points for you. When you're wrong, you lose a point. If you don't answer, another school will ring the bell to answer correctly for 2 points or lose a point when they are wrong. For this round, we have the DuPay money transfer $20 promo, because this round is the DuPay true or false round. In this NSMQ season, whenever an alumnus of any of the schools competing sends money to Ghana through DuPay money transfer, $20 will be given to the school for developmental projects in the school, using when the alumnus uses the promo code. For this contest, the promo code for Fafraha Senior High School is FACOSH. All the promo codes are in uppercase. So FACOSH is FACOSH. Then for St. Hubert, we have St. Hubert, st.hubert. Then for Nandom, we have Nandom, NANDOM. These are the promo codes for the schools. If any of your alumni sends money to Ghana through DuPay using these promo codes, for every transaction, the school will get $20. So alumni in the diaspora send money through DuPay, and just by doing that, money will be given to your school when you use the promo code. It costs you nothing, but earns your school a lot. The true or false round is proudly sponsored by DuPay Money Transfer. Meet a need, send via DuPay. I'll be starting the fourth round with Fafraha Community Senior High School. All the best to you all. Preamble to all schools. If f of x equals x squared and g of x equals sine x, then, Fafraha, f of g of x equals x squared sine x. Yes, Enoch?
It's false.
Correct. St. Hubert, f of g of x equals sine squared x.
True.
Correct. Nandom, g of f of x equals sine x squared.
True.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. According to Thomson's model, Fafraha, electrons move around the nucleus in fixed orbits, later called orbitals. Enoch?
It's false.
Correct. St. Hubert. The atom is composed of electrons embedded within a positively charged sphere. Yes.
True.
Correct. Nandom. The positive charge in the atom is uniformly distributed throughout the atom.
True.
Correct. Fafraha, in very large populations, genetic drift has only a small effect on evolution. Enoch.
It's false.
Incorrect. St. Hubert. Genetic drift is a non-random process that can lead to the loss or fixation of alleles in a population over time. Yes, Samuel.
False.
Correct. Nandom. In large populations, the effects of genetic drift are diluted, making it less significant in driving evolutionary change.
False.
Incorrect. Preamble to all schools. We have 30 seconds for this set. A simple harmonic oscillator has angular frequency 100 pi radians per second. A simple harmonic oscillator has angular frequency 100 pi radians per second. Fafraha. The frequency of the oscillator is 100 hertz. Elon.
False.
Correct. St. Hubert. The period of the oscillator is 0.02 seconds.
True.
Correct. Nandom. The amplitude of the oscillator is 50 radians.
False.
Correct. Fafraha, 3, 5, 7, 9, and so on is a linear series. Elon.
It's false.
Correct. St. Hubert, 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus and so on is a linear sequence. Samuel.
False.
Correct. Nandom. 1 plus 3 plus 9 plus 27 plus 81 plus and so on and so forth is an exponential sequence.
False.
Correct. Fafraha, free radical halogenation reactions are highly selective and favor the formation of primary alkyl halides.
It's true.
Incorrect. St. Hubert, bromine is more selective than chlorine during the halogenation process. Samuel.
True.
Correct. Nandom. When chlorine or bromine is available, the reaction can take place in the dark.
False.
Correct. Fafraha, the final product of feedback mechanism controls the rate of its own synthesis from the middle of the pathway.
It's false.
Correct. St. Hubert. In feedback mechanism, the consequent product of the same pathway controls the rate of its own synthesis. Go ahead, Samuel.
True.
Incorrect. Nandom. During feedback mechanism, the enzyme gets denatured permanently so that the substrate cannot bind anymore.
False.
Correct. Preamble to all schools. An object slides down a smooth plane inclined at an angle to the horizontal. Fafraha, the object accelerates down the plane. Correct. Speak into the mic, please.
It's true.
Correct. St. Hubert, the net force on the object is the weight of the object. Samuel.
False.
Correct. Nandom, the net force on the object acts down the plane.
True.
Correct. That's the end of the fourth round. Here. The first one is from Fafraha Senior High School, Community Senior High School, and they Fafraha, for the chemistry second set, your answer was true. Your answer was true. I didn't give true. The answer I was expecting is false. And that is what you have written, that false is the answer. But your students gave me true. That's why they didn't get it. Then, St. Hubert. Yours was on biology. And what you have here is different from what I read. What you have here is that in feedback reactions, the consequence of product of the same pathway controls the rate of its own synthesis. And that is true. That is not what I read. What I read was in feedback mechanism, the consequent product of the same pathway controls the rate of its own synthesis. And that is a false statement. So no one gets it. So at the end of the Jupe true or false round, Nandom Senior High School had 32 points. Fafraha Community Senior High School had 38 points. And St. Hubert Seminary Senior High School had 58 points. Last round, final round. This round 5. In this round, I'm going to give you clues to solve 4 riddles, just 4 riddles. You have the chance of scoring at most 5 points for each riddle. When I give you the clues and you're able to solve on the first, you earn 5 points. Second, 4. Third, to the last, 3 points. Each riddle will come to all of you, and you may take turns. For this round, if you take a turn and you are not successful, you sit out of competition for that riddle. If there's any after, you may join us for that. We have the Gaul Riddle Bonanza in this round, and this will reward a school that solves 3 or all 4 riddles correctly. If you're able to solve 3 riddles correctly at this stage, you earn 800 Ghana cedis. If you are able to solve all four correctly, you earn 1,200 Ghana cedis. The Gold Radio Bonanza is proudly sponsored by Goil, Goil Good Energy. So, we start our fifth round, and I wish you all the best. I am a two-digit number. I'm a prime number. My last digit is a square. My first digit is a unique prime. Yes, Nandom.
29.
Correct. We are a pair of compounds. We have the same molecular formula. Yes, Nandom.
Isomers.
Incorrect. We also have the same order of attachment of atoms. We only differ in our yes, St. Hubert.
Enantiomers.
Incorrect. We only differ in our three-dimensional arrangement. Enantiomers, diastereomers, and cis-trans isomers are some of our examples. Who are we? Fafraha?
Geometric isomers.
Incorrect. We are stereoisomers. I'm a natural compound, specifically an indole amine. I am produced by and found in different organisms, including bacteria and eukaryotes. My name was derived from two Greek words, which literally mean black labor or black color. I was first discovered in connection to the mechanism by which some amphibians and reptiles change the color of their skin. I'm a hormone that is produced by the menial gland of the brain. In vertebrates, I'm involved in synchronizing yes, St. Hubert.
Melatonin.
Correct. Last one. I'm a type of material. I'm usually solid through liquid forms of me. No, I'm usually solid though liquid forms of me are known. I'm distinguished by an electrical property that tends to zero as temperature tends to absolute zero. Examples of me are gallium, arsenite, and germanium. St. Hubert.
Semiconductors. That's semiconductor.
You get it. All too soon we've come to the end of this exciting contest. Unfortunately, no one won the Gold Radio Bonanza. Thank you for joining us for this contest. Do make it a point to join us for our next contest between that would be between University Practice Senior High School, Efuakobi Ampem Girls Senior High School, and St. Andrews Senior High School. That contest also promises to be exciting. The National Science and Math Quiz is proudly sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with GOL PLC and supported by Joy News, Pepsodent, DuPay Money Transfer, Prudential Life Insurance Ghana, Better Malt, ALX, Kivo, Bell Beverages, Flora Tissues, Coronation Insurance, Accra College of Medicine, University of Mines and Technology, Academic City University College, PMMC Jewelry, GTP, CHAS, YFM and Galmark Foundation. The 2024 edition of the STEM Festival will come off from November 7 to 23, 2024. Do join us as we delve into the theme, exploring agri-tech solutions to boost Ghana's economy. So at the end of this exciting contest, Nandom Senior High School ended with 35 points. Let's give it up for them. Fafraha Community Senior High School ended with 38 points. And St. Hubert won the contest with 64 points. So, Fafraha Community Senior High School and Nandom Senior High School, you fought a good fight, but today wasn't your day. I wish you the best. Congratulations to you, St. Hubert Seminary and Senior High School. Congratulations to you for winning this contest and qualifying for the 1-8 stage. I wish you the best as you progress in the competition. If your score remains the highest for the day, you win the Pepsodent Highest Scorer Award, which at this stage is worth 1,000 cedis. The Pepsodent Highest Scorer Award is sponsored by Pepsodent. Every smile matters.